Alright guys, this is Adani Power and daily chart. Now I can see Adani Power is running like a rocket. Now most of the people are excited to invest in Adani Power. Now question is that, can we invest here for the long run? Let's do some analysis. So in this video, we will discuss here overview of Adani Power, next the fundamental analysis of Adani Power, technical analysis, or if you are right, so what trading strategy we will apply, option or normal future, whatever. So let's do analysis. So this is the overview of this company. Adani Power Limited, an electric utility company, produces and transmit energy from its portfolio of a power plant located throughout the India. So basic business doing by Adani Power. It's a energy based company. All right, this company produces most of this energy using thermal fuel sources such as coal. So I think Adani Power is the largest coal importer. All right, so remember, so it's based on energy. And Adani Power own facilities that utilize solar and steam generation. Not only they are depending on coal, they have they are using solar, steam generation, etc. Adani Power generate the vast majority its revenue throughout the sales and electricity. So later we will discuss in fundamental analysis. And here is the most important thing. Most of the companies electricity sales and structured through the long-term agreement. They have a big long-term agreement. So all are handling by the Adani Power. All right. And Adani Power is the largest private power producer in India. Remember, no other company no other company can compare with Adani Power in a power sector. That is why it's an important thing. And let's do some fundamental analysis now. First, we must know the businesses, how they are doing the businesses, what is the profit and loss, everything first. How we come to know that Adani Power are doing the good business? So that is the criteria. First criteria, consistently increase revenue, Adani Power revenue first. Next, sales, earning and cash flow from operation. That all factor should be increased every year. Next, positive growth rate. Second criteria. Third criteria, sustainable competitive advantage, which is called economic mode. So I think in my previous video I explained about economic mode. ROE high and consistent. ROE means return on equity. That should be increased and consistently should be grow up. Next, conservative debt. So if Adani Power have every year their debt are increasing, that is not a good business. Remember, debt should be minimum, or every year that should be decreases. That also important. Another, insider holding or buying. So like FII, DII, what is the holding amount or holding shares, or they are consistently they are buying or not. So that is important. Another thing, if all category passes, so next we must know the intrinsic value of Adani Power. If intrinsic value is low and Adani Power share price is high, that is not perfect price. Remember. Third, entry point will confirm by technical analysis. So later I'll explain. So last we'll discuss what trading strategy we can apply here. To find out this data, you can use this website. This is called Yahoo Finance, and you just go to Google and type on Yahoo Finance, and after that you just put here company name. All right, so I just put in here. So, or you can use another website. This is called Morningstar. All right, Morningstar, it is an international website. And another one here, you can see this is called Scanner. So I think you people are using this website. This is called Scanner. All right, so let's see one by one. So I'm using Morningstar. So you can use Yahoo Finance also. So here I can see first you just go to financial somewhere there, and first income statement, next balance sheet, third cash flow. So first income statement, let's see growth. Total revenue 2014 156, next 188, 15 to 16, then increasing. 16 it's also increasing, but 17 here you can see decreasing. Means revenue are not increasing consistently. And let's see another gross profit. Gross profit here also, here you can see 98, 75, 72, 66, 70. So here you can see price are not increasing. Gross profit are not increasing consistently. So that is why I'm not interested to take position, and I don't want to hold my position for the long term here. So let's see another criteria here. Okay, let's see another criteria. Okay, all data are available here, so that is why. Okay, now see the balance sheet. Let's jump to balance sheet. In the balance sheet here you can see long-term debt. So have you seen total long-term debt are increasing? So when company debt are increasing, that is not a good sign, remember. So means they are just taking a loan from banks or institution, whatever. Means that they are, by taking loan, they are increasing their businesses. So I'm not interested to take hold my position for the long term. All right, let's see another here. I can see cash flow operations. So it's the most important thing. Let's go to here, click more data. All right, so every data will be available. Cash flow operation here. Now you can see cash flow operation also not consistent. Have you seen 32, 61, 48, 47, 51. So I'm not interested to take any position for long term. 56. If you not go see details, click on here. So income and before here cash generating from operations. So here you can see all are negative. So I'm not interested. And if you not see here intrinsic value are 31, and right now current price are see 151. Have you seen? Intrinsic value is 31 only. Means Adani Power price are selling high prices. All right. So that is why I'm not interested to take any position for the long term. And if you not see, sales growth rate is negative. And if you not see, profit growth rate is 203%. So I don't know why. All right, but I'm not interested to take position for the long run. All right, now let's jump to technical chart. Okay, here you can see what is the sign here? What we have seen here, when, remember one thing most important, when price goes like a rocket on 90-degree from this area, so remember some people are doing something. Some people are pushing the market high. So we never enter this type of stock. We never know when market will collapse again, like rubber band man theory. I think you people know about that one. So most of the people are very excited to buy somewhere. They're expecting that Adani Power in the long run it will go up. So it is, I'm not recommending you, just my knowledge I'm sharing. So I'm not interested to take any position in Adani Power. Alright. Even though they are running an uptrend, but remember, it may again pull back toward moving averages. Price never goes far from moving averages. When price goes up from moving average to far area, again smash back to near moving averages. So that is called rubber band man theory. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.